What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be giving updates on one of my favorite crypto projects for 2024. I mentioned this one back in the summer, in June specifically of 2023, and that is PowAI. It's an artificial intelligence project or protocol with an ecosystem that is extremely robust, including things like staking, revenue share model, Telegram bots, and a lot of hot topics that were first initiated back in 2023 and mainly in end of quarter four 2022, especially with, ChatGPT and things alike. But let's go ahead and dive in. The overall cryptocurrency market is looking fantastic. It is very much primed. We're seeing a lot of new liquidity coming in from institutions. BlackRock with Fidelity, holding over $10 billion of Bitcoin already within the first month of their ETFs going live. So retail is still not in, and that's what gets me super excited, is that we're going to see an ETH at $5 to $6, $7, $8, $9, $10,000 soon. Bitcoin will break its all-time high and hopefully 100,000 in the next maybe even few months. I'm not going to even say years, because I do believe that it's going to happen sooner rather than later. But what I want to talk about are not necessarily any of these blue chips, as I mentioned. I want to talk about PowAI. If you go to categories on CoinMarketCap and you scroll down to the 25th category, you will see that there's a category called Telegram bots. PowAI has won in terms of market share, over doubling the place 2, 3, and 4 Unibot, Banana Gun, and Chain GPT. PowAI is the winner amongst them. And it's for a good reason. This is a multifaceted ecosystem, and that's why I'm so excited about it. PAAL started off with a vision, and they've been executing on this vision each and every day. And that's what keeps investors coming and keeps them very enticed. Now, you see that we broke all-time highs pretty much today via the CoinMarketCap chart. If you look on DEX tools, there was a wick that happened back in November that actually did push us higher than we were today at ATH. But regardless, there's a reason why I do believe PowAI is going to become a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure. Yes, billion-dollar infrastructure. Multiple. First and foremost, PAL is currently sitting at $167 million market cap, but its fully diluted market cap is right around $211 million. The volume is 3.6 million exchanged in the hands of traders. Still extremely, I would consider this still low cap, but maybe closer to the mid cap range for cryptocurrencies. Because amongst all the cryptocurrencies in the market, if you click back here, PAL is ranked 273. I believe it's going to be a top 50 cryptocurrency, believe it or not, here in 2024. And why do I say that, and why am I so bullish on this project? First and foremost, if you go on PowAI's Twitter, you can see some of the things that they've been mentioning. But specifically what I want to start with is right here, 5 hours ago. Did you know that PAL ecosystem now holds over $3 million in assets and Ethereum revenue? Tomorrow on February 16th, we're distributing a generous portion of rewards to our stakers. To earn, simply stake your PAL tokens at rewards.powai.io, which is listed here on their Twitter, before the end of the day, and enjoy benefits as soon as tomorrow. PAL rewards, ETH rewards, partner project airdrops, exclusive access to features in our ecosystem, investment opportunities, like our previous incubated project, AIT protocol, which delivered over 30x returns to our committed stakers. Don't miss out on PAL profits. I love it. Such a good marketing tool to bring in new investors that are potentially excited to not only make money on the appreciation of the token, but you have to give people other incentives. And you see a lot of different crypto projects that are offering things like 200% APY, blah, blah, blah. Well, for these guys, they go based off how much money you're staking, and it's basically based off their volume and other revenues that they've been able to generate. They distribute that amongst their stakers. So things are getting quite interesting, but more importantly is PowX's arrival. So it says here's this new raw peek at the PowX Explorer tab, where you'll be able to craft custom list of tokens, influencers, or even niche categories like decentralized finance or DeFi, gaming, etc., and manage your portfolio all in one place. By leveraging AI, we bring together all your essential crypto tools for research, audits, tweets, sentiment analysis, and much more. Drowning in a sea of countless coins and influencers, or feeling overwhelmed by crypto information overload, PowX is the dawn of a new era in easy crypto onboarding. Hold tight, we're just getting started. And it says here, stay tuned for more demos and launch details. This was as of January 19th, and I think the days are coming closer and closer to PowX. And why is this so exciting? Remember, PAAL's initial vision, their vision statement that they stated over on our Twitter spaces that we were hosting for them at the very beginning. I'm very excited and just so fortunate to be able to be an investor so early on. And I'll be honest with you guys, as an investor, of course, there is maybe some implicit bias, but most importantly, I'm someone that is not paid to create this content. I'm just an investor that's excited, and I have a pretty big position in the project. But regardless, I think they deserve the type of attention that they've been getting over on the social media space. But again, with PAL, remember, their vision is to make crypto easy for people that are joining for the first time. For those of you that have been swapping or been a part of this channel since I first started early Q1 2021, a lot of people had questions. How do I use MetaMask? How do I use this? How do I trade? How do I look at this? How can I trust this source and that source? How do I make sure I don't get drained? Well, remember, PAL is your PAL. It's going to be your sidekick, the person, the entity, the artificial intelligence that's going to be on your side with every trade and every step of the way. And I think with that being said, they can capture significant market share. And that's why I believe that PAL, it's not a 10x opportunity. I believe this has truly a 100x potential. A $20 billion valuation is not too far-fetched for PAL. Why? Because their ability to onboard. Remember, crypto right now is pretty much held by less than 10% of the entire globe. There's a significant amount of market share to be grasped. So with that being said, I do believe we will see PAL break through a lot of barriers and also capture a significant amount of excitement in investors that'll be coming in for the first time. So keep an eye out. Keep an eye out for PowAI. I think it's one that you should keep on your watch list. Dollar cost averaging has always been proven as the best strategy. I can never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrencies in the market, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. I'm not always right. I'm not always wrong either, but I will say that with PAL, I think it really does have what it takes to break through some significant barriers that it has seen. With that being said, right now you might think, why would I buy the top? Well, remember, a top is a top only locally. What can happen next is we see what we saw September 23rd, or even previous highs, which was October 18th. And then we had the run up from October 18th pretty much every single day for a month of just a rally for PAL before it cooled off. That rally could have began on February 10th, where we now see PAL go all the way to a $500, $600, $700 million market cap and beyond. I appreciate you guys. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.